Hi guys, thank you for joining us for another episode of Miss Planet. Before we get started with this week's project, I just want to remind you of our limited time free offer for our DIY project planning guide. You don't want to miss this. It's like having me right there with you as you're planning, budgeting, and having such inspiring ideas for your DIY project, for a wedding, for a baby shower, for a party, for a bar mitzvah, for a quinceañera, just any DIY project you have for a wonderful upcoming event. So if you would like to get this free planning guide, head on down to the description and just click on the link. Or you can head on over to our website also and get the limited time offer of our free planning guide. Okay, let's get started with this week's project. So this week we are creating our Dollar Tree Gold Glam Winter Wonderland Wedding Centerpiece. That's a mouthful, I know, but look at it. It's gorgeous. It deserves a mouthful kind of a title. So this project cost $8. $8. I know it's hard to believe, but it did. Now, you'll see in the picture that I used two of the hurricane lamp centerpieces. So if you're using two, it's $16, but one will be $8. And you have options. You have options, guys. Now, I'm so excited to show you how to create this beautiful gold glam winter wedding wonderland centerpiece. So, without further ado, let's get started. So once the paint has dried on our 5-inch foam disc that we got from the Dollar Tree, it's now time to add our embellishments. So the first we're going to do is add this gold glittery pick embellishment that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now notice, it comes in one piece, but I separate the three pieces so that I can put them where I would like them on my foam disc. That foam disc is kind of slippery. So next, we're going to add the glitter poinsettias to the rim or the sides of our foam disc. Very simple. Now you will notice that some of the stems are not on the wire. They're actually just, plasticky. So the key to that is to use one of your stems and poke a hole before adding the other poinsettia. So it's just really simple. You can trim off the stem if you need to about a half an inch or so. So you're just going to simply continue that pattern all the way around. Finally, it's time to add our glitter gold Christmas berries that came from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, and don't throw away those gold glitter leaves. I have an idea. We can use those later. So don't throw away greenery. Remember, keep the greenery. So we're going to simply trim down our berry stems to about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. And I like to frame out the front of my centerpiece to kind of just dress it up a little bit and make it look more embellished than, say, the sides or the back. But it's really up to you. You can add the gold berries all the way around if you choose to. So for an extra dollar, guess what? You can add some height to this very same centerpiece. So all I did is painted two more foam discs, and they come two to a pack. That's a deal already. And then I'm using extra long wood toothpicks to attach all three together. And I'm going to trim off the toothpick on the bottom. Just make sure it doesn't poke all the way through the top. You want to keep it flush. So take your time. You can do it. Now you have an option. You can hot glue the vases onto the actual foam disc, but you really don't need to. Once you put the water in, that vase is not going anywhere. And now you're ready for your floating candles. Well, guys, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. And no one, I mean no one, will believe that it cost $8. But it did, because we know here at MissPlanIt that when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. If you like this video, by all means like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. Send us a comment. Ask us a question. We love your words of encouragement. And guys, we're here to answer your questions. With that being said, you can also follow us on our social media. You can follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We love your comments. I absolutely love when you post your projects on our social media page. It makes my day. You just don't get how happy it makes me. It really does. So please post those projects. I want to see them. And guess what? You may get picked as the planner of the week. In addition to that, if you would like to support us, you can go on and support us on Patreon. For just as little as $1 a month, you can help us to keep bringing you free content to everyone so that we can continue to bless people with our gifts and our talents. That's what we're here for. So if you'd like to support us on Patreon, head on over there. You can hang out with me a little bit longer. And I am currently decorating my entire house. So if you'd like to get in on that, come on over and deck the halls with me, MissPlanIt. Well, guys, until next time. Oh, don't forget, the links to the supplies are all in the description below. Just click on that upside down arrow. They're all there for you. And by all means, you've got to be taking advantage of Ebates. This is the time that you use it. All that Christmas shopping, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, all the different options. Just make sure you are using your Ebates account so that you can make money while you spend money. It's really simple. You click onto your Ebates account, find the vendor you want to buy the products from, and then you start making money. So don't forget, the link to the Ebates is absolutely free to sign up, FREE to sign up, is in the description below. Ooh, that was a mouthful. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out this week. I sure enjoyed you. And until next week, take care and God bless.